Hey friends, what's going on guys? So this is Redmi 5A. We'll do the unboxing of this phone. It's 16GB variant with 2GB of RAM. You can buy this phone in 5,000 rupees in Flipkart. So let me know your comments if you have any questions about this phone, and if you're here for the first time, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. So friend, this is the box of the Redmi 5A, bright red color. So we'll just open the box and see what is there inside the box, how the phone looks. This is the golden color. I got the phone in golden color. I didn't got a chance to have a black or silver color, and even one more color is there, that is rose gold. I didn't find it, so it is made in India. Just open the box and see what's there inside. I got the seal. And there you go, you got the phone. It's good, quite good, not bad. I would say in 5,000 it's a better phone than others. Paperwork, nothing more in the box, no headphones, nothing. One USB type B, not type C. You can't expect that in this budget range. And the SIM ejector tool, and a normal charger, not a fast charger. I should not say that. Even a normal charger, that's all that's in the box. So finally the phone is here. The phone, this is having 5-inch HD display. It's not a full HD, it's normal HD display. So at the front you get the proximity sensor, and at the right side you get the front facing camera, which is 5 megapixel. At the back you just get a slippery back with aluminum finish. It's golden color, and the camera, which is at the back, is of 13 megapixel with f2.2. okay, so that's all MI branding. And the speaker grill, that's all for you. At the right side you get the power button and the volume buttons. So on the left side you get the two compartments, one for only one SIM card and one compartment for SIM card and your memory card. So this compartment is for SIM card and a memory card, and the second one is for one SIM card alone. So you can only use one SIM as a 4G SIM, rest SIM will be your normal 2G or 3G SIM, so you cannot use both the SIMs as a VoLTE. So let's remove this plastic, and phone looks really good without plastic. I'll remove at the back as well. The phone looks compact in hand. It may slip, you will have to use the back case, because if you don't use it may slip out of your hand. So let's power on this device, and you get the Android Nougat 7.1.2 here with MIUI 9, which is fluid and good. You don't get any kind of hiccups or any kind of I don't feel any kind of problem in using this UI with Android Nougat. So this is fine, good. So that's all with the video of unboxing. I'll just share the photos and videos of this phone to watch that, and please let me know your comments. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel, and if you're here for the first time, do hit a like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.